Hey, what's up, guys? So, I'm going to teach you about the typewriting effect in DaVinci today. So, just we can get into the video. Okay, so first you need a background. So, go to this edit. Okay, this is called as edit. Go to the edit sheet and then go for effect library. Effect library is here. Just click this effect library and you can go for generators. Here you can search for a solid color. Okay, solid color, just drag and drop here. And in inspector, this is called inspector tab. In inspector tab you can just select whatever color you want here, up here. Okay, so now you need the text. Go to the titles and then search for text plus. Okay, text plus, and just drag and drop this thing to here. Okay, so you can just get anything you want. So I'm doing hey bastard, and then we can just type still longer. How are you? I keep like this. uh, let's just select font which is suiting for this. According to my taste, no fonts is just matching, so the size is actually too big for typewriting effect. Also, the line should not be like this. Okay, let's okay, this is good. Let's say, so now we need to set the keyframe. Okay, in order to do that, little bit keep the time frame at here, like little bit away from the start of the video. uh, Bring this thing to close to the left side, select the time frame, bring the time frame before video ends, and just bring this fully right here, set the keyframe. Now you got a little bit of typewriting effect. Now you need to add the sound. You can get the sound anywhere from YouTube or any other websites. I actually got those sounds from YouTube, like YouTube MP3 downloader. That's it. It's not a big deal. So you can import it from file, import, and you'll get those things here. You can just drag and drop here, but I already having those things, so I can just go for here. I actually saved this sounds, typewriting effect sounds will be here. Okay, okay, so it's not matching. So what I'm going to do is just trimming this part out, trying to match it. Again, it's too long, so we need to set the fixed time frame. Let's just remove this time frame. Okay, so we set the time frame up here. Okay, now let's check it. Okay, now it's good. small videos. Okay, okay, it's good. Like, it's just good because I'm just starting DaVinci Resolve. Like, the first thing I learned in this fucking thing is typewriting effect. So that's how I can teach, because I'm not a professional myself, but I learned as a beginner, so beginners can get help from this video, because I spent a lot of time in this, so you can spend much lesser time, but just watching this video in 2x speed. Now you can add the old typewriting like effect. Just get this thing up here. Okay, go to inspector tab, go for composite thing, something like that. Oh yes, go for that. Yeah, absolutely. Now you will have a good thing. Yeah, that's all.